gatillero y me monta en la ruta.
Dímelo, yo.
Par de gatillero y huele a gran puta.
Hi guys, welcome to SLED Podcast, episode 31 already. That's crazy. How's everybody doing? Bitcoin was making pretty good moves today, as we all saw. We'll jump into charts right now. There's some news happening, guys, and it's pretty crazy. So there is going to be another stable coin. I don't know if you heard about it, but Ripple is making their own stable coin. Stablecoin market is booming, around $150 billion today and projected to soar past 2.8 trillion by 2028. There's a clear demand for, trust, stability, and utility. Maybe eventually we'll see, a Canadian pegged stablecoin for Canadian users. That would be nice because we're kind of tired of transferring Canadian dollars into American dollars and losing like 30 cents per dollar at least. So Ripple's stablecoin will be pegged to US dollar, 100% it will be backed by 100% USD deposits, short-term US treasuries, and other cash equivalents. The reserves will be audited by third-party accounting firm, and Ripple will publish monthly attestations. Ripple stablecoin will be available on XRP Ledger and Ethereum later this year, with plans to expand to other blockchains and protocols in the future. That's pretty cool. We always kind of thought that Ripple is going to have a stablecoin. It's going to have its hands full to compete with USDT and USDC, though. Tether right now has 106 billion market cap and dominates with 69% of stablecoin market, and it's followed by USDC, currently the second largest stablecoin with 32 billion market cap and 22% market share. So that's pretty cool. Also, everybody's talking about Web 3.0 and that the whole world is moving to on-chain. It will bring massive opportunities for early investors. 99% of this industry is trash, though. But 1% is gold. Each cycle comes with new narrative. ICOs in 2017, NFTs in 2021. By the way, in the 2017 ICO, I've gotten Cardano for less than a cent, XRP for less than a cent. I had Wax coin. I got Tronix for like 0.0001 cent. Cashed out for, I think it was average 14 cents. Cardano, I cashed out a little bit early. I cashed out at 6 cents, or was it 8 cents, something like this. And XRP, I cashed out pretty much at the all-time high that has never been reached, and 2 bull runs already. But yeah, and then, after ICO craze in 2017, ICOs kind of got banned. NFTs happened in 2021, AI in 2024, etc. Although AI is a sham, in my opinion. That's kind of it. So let's jump into charts. Made some pretty good scalps today. We'll start with 2048 as usual. So as you all know already, for those people who weren't watching our podcast before, we called this top at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's top, well, for now it's a top, and I'm okay with it being a top. We caught the 13K move, took partial profits. I took about 50%. We had this little retracement. It didn't trigger my stop loss because I entered pretty much at the beginning of the stop. I had the level set way before it happened in Discord. And then the price kind of retested. My stop loss didn't trigger, so I added more to margin, and now going down again. Very profitable, very good trade going so far. Now, as we climb down to 512 was a little bit weird. I think we're at turning point 5. We haven't hit the 6 yet. I set it here just in case. We'll see what's going to happen in in 2 days time. If we don't hit the lower low here after this turning point 6, then we'll set this as a 6 and we'll start going up to 6 to 7. But 128 kind of touched the double arc 3. We do have to hit turning point 5 here already. I think I'm gonna set it right now. Actually, it makes sense. So that would be downtrending quite hard if that's a turning point 5. Let's take a look at it. We need a little bit bigger initial impulse, obviously, to confirm it. But if it is a turning point 5, then we'll be looking at 59K levels. 32 is pointing down. We identified turning point 5 here. We do have 3 minutes to 10 hours left on this move. I think we're gonna set a 6 during this live here, pretty much right away. Then looking at 8-minute pointing down. Some of our targets are already published in Discord. Some of them have been hit. Some of the new targets right here. We're looking at 65 to 106. And our two is going to be set here. Hit 100% time. This will be our 2. And this will be our 3. Pointing down again. Hitting some targets. Looking to see what we're going to hit in about 28 minutes. Even less. We'll see what we're going to hit in about 14 minutes. But I'll stay here with you guys while this is happening. Let's set some conservative targets here. So if you take a look at 9 here, 9 was a big move down, but 9 was also a 3 inflection point of turning point 3 on an 8-minute. So a turning point 9 down was a turning point down on a 8-minute chart, turning point 3. So that was a very good entry here. I'm really happy with it. And we're climbing down. A pretty good move right now. Also, we're going to go back to these charts in a second. Let me just turn on. Hey, TikTok, what's up? What's going on? Say hello in chat. Make sure you guys subscribe to our podcast. We do Bitcoin market updates. Not just Bitcoin, any market updates every day. We start with Bitcoin always because Bitcoin is king. Make sure you sub to our channel, SLED-28 on YouTube. We also stream on Twitch, on X, on Rumble, and pretty much every single platform simultaneously. On YouTube, everything is recorded though. So after you watch this live, if you miss some parts, it's going to be recorded on our channel. So you can always go back to it and check it out. Let's take a look. So in order for you guys to have better entries using the Bursa circle and Gann analysis, you also want to look at TradingView. And the reason you want to look at TradingView is because it's much easier to see breaks of structure of trends, right? So we all know uptrend is higher high and higher low, and downtrend is lower high and lower low. So in order for you to scale on Tesseract, where I chart my Gann, and in order to hit these trends better and see where the price is actually moving. Oh, while we were speaking, guys, we just hit the 2 targets that I've placed. Let me just quickly jump in. I'll get back to what I was saying. Let's jump back into our Tesseract chart. There we go. And you saw me place these targets just in front of you right now, and we already hit both of the targets. Our main target being 66,920. So we'll set main target 2 right here. 66,337 is going to be the target as well. So that's a pretty good move right here that we just caught. Not a vertical ray. Let's see something here. There we go. We're on to 66,337. Thanks for the follow, Cody. Really appreciate it. So the reason you want to take a look at TradingView is if you're having hard times just visualizing charts and seeing breaks of structure with higher highs and higher lows, and when we're going up, and just to see the trend better on a lower time frame, that way you can actually see the direction of the move a little better. So I trade those in unison. I set TradingView on one side of the screen and on one screen, and Tesseract on the other screen, and then obviously my social media on another screen. And that's the way I like to have it, because even though Tesseract is good, it is still lacking some indicators. I wish they created some kind of API with TradingView or vice versa, so we can do all this on top of the regular TradingView indicators that everybody likes. We're about to hit our main target too. Hopefully we should, once we break double arc 3, which is this arc right here, we're on to double arc 5. 4 doesn't act as resistance, doesn't act as support. It acts more as resistance, so it's really easy to pierce it after we break the third arc. So we're gonna hit our target hopefully right this minute. So just because our 3 kind of came in, well, it didn't really come in late. Let's look at what's happening in 32. Yeah, so our 5 came in really late. So the reason this move is so violent is when 5 comes in super late, then it needs to catch some time up to make a 6, because 5 and 6 are usually 6 is usually in the middle of the third quadrant. As you see, 1, 2, 3, third quadrant in the middle. We also got hit this time perfectly 2 minutes ago, and we're moving down. We hit our target on a 32 minute. Actually, if we go to my Discord, our Discord, I should say, applications window, let me share the Discord screen with you guys. That's the Discord. So you can see here, I posted this target 66764 today at 2:49 p.m. That's Mountain Time. That's 4:49, pretty much 5 p.m. Eastern Time. That's when I told you guys the target will be 66764. Let's take a look at the chart right now. 66764 hit and pierced and going on to target 2. So there you go. You had to wait 8 hours, and that's exactly what I said it would be, time wise. That's pretty cool. It's pretty neat. I like that. Let me tell the guys that the target was hit. Community is updated. If you guys haven't joined our community, you can join our community. Good morning, Michael. Good morning, Michael Knotts. You can go to getsled.net and find the link to our Discord on our website, or you can just look and YouTube, our channel page on YouTube. It has all our links as well to Discord. Invite link to Discord. It's free, and everybody's welcome, guys. And if you want to look at be in a community with a whole bunch of traders, talk about charts 24/7, see people post charts, I post targets, analysis. Everyone else does as well. We have 1,600 members. You guys are very welcome to join, and you should join if you're not in any community and you want to be a trader, or you're a trader already. It doesn't matter. All skill sets levels will teach you how to trade. All right. Let's exit. Let's exit this. So these targets hit. I'm gonna remove them. This target is still here. We should be hitting it. If we close this close this candle in 25 minutes or so under the third arc and open another one and kind of keep staying in this range, this will be confirmation that we broke arc 3, and then we're going to be going on to 65097. On 128, looks like our pivot is just starting. You see how early 5 is here? Really, really early. Well, it's like it's actually where it's supposed to be. But here, if you look at 32, 5 came in late. And when 5 comes in late, it's already time for a 6. That's why here we have a lot of time here. Up to 4 days of down move. So that's good. Everything is going according to plan. See you guys. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube, please do so. We need one more subscriber to hit 1,100 subs. All right, didn't quite hit the target yet, but all the other targets were hit. That's okay. We still have plenty of time. If you look at the cheat sheet, turning point 6 comes in most of the time in the middle of third quadrant. Hopefully this is not an early 6. Then it would invalidate kind of the move, this target. If this is a 6 and we catch the inflection point, then we'll see what's going to happen in 6 minutes, because this might be a 6, then we're going to start going up. Let's take a look at this. So we set a lower high, and it's going to be a lower low. Broke structure. This is just a 5-minute, 15-minute, same thing. Broke structure, 30-minute. Didn't quite hit a higher high. We have a lower high, and if we close below here, we're going to have a lower low, possibly a transition to a downtrend too. Well, we did our job. We called some targets. Now we can just stare at the chart. We still got time to go down, so everything is still good. 5 minutes, we might see another move down here. If not 5 minutes, then possibly 17 minutes or so. We have... See how it plays out. See how it plays out. In regards to solar eclipse on the 8th, I still think, just based on historic data, I looked at Alexander, I don't know what Bitcoin buy means. You got to be more, you got to give me more information. I don't know what you mean by. Yes, we buy and sell. We trade. Market goes up and down, so I'm not sure what you mean by. Are you an investor? Do you accumulate Bitcoin? Do you trade? That doesn't tell me anything either. Yes, we buy and sell. So in regards to solar eclipse, I still think we're gonna see a dump. I think that's gonna be the April 8th. I don't speak Spanish. Yeah, I just expect a big dump on April 8th, or like consecutive days and stuff like that. So we'll see. It doesn't matter. We're in profits from if you guys were in our Discord, you'd see the our call for the top. In fact, I can show you. It was a long time ago. If you look at pin messages, one of them was on the 11th. I placed those levels here. The price didn't even reach. I have another chart where price was just around here, and this level got hit perfectly. I said this is a pivot, and we're gonna go down, and we rejected. It was a price discovery mode. We didn't even know. We didn't have any data for these prices here. Like we were just almost breaking the all-time high, previous all-time high, and I already placed these levels there without having any data, and just because I trade GAN, and you can see the future basically in simple terms if you know how to trade. If you know how to trade GAN, but then we placed that. We called the top, and a little bit later, boom, we hit the top perfectly, and we started rejecting from it, and that's when we entered. And I said we're gonna go down, and then I placed a whole bunch of Bitcoin charts on WD GAN and stuff like that. This more and more looks like F4. You can pull the fib. Rejected of 618 short term. Let's just keep GP here. Sixty-five, 639, 65, 639, 65, 337. I think we're gonna hit that target. We're at 100% time though. That is the problem. Place those as placeholders for now. Let's do something funky here. 74.1 divided by 2. 3705. Look how nice that we hit that angle and bounced up from it. We'll see what's going to happen here. There you guys go. There's your TA for short term. And I will update you in the next stream, guys. I think, well, hold on. Let's see. We're going to hit this target. I think we've covered pretty much everything for an update that we needed to cover. You even saw a few targets get hit. Good timing for a live. Other than that, yeah, getsled.net, guys. Join our Discord. Anyone's welcome. I'll approve you once I see you in the welcome notification, and we'll go from there. I'll update you tomorrow. Thanks, guys.
Y me monta en la ruta.
Dímelo, yo.
Par de gatilleros y huele a gran puta.